Hello, my name is Janae James, and I'm your Assistant Athletics Director here at the University of Puget Sound. The Athletics and Aquatics Center was completed in fall 2016. The Athletics and Aquatics Center is adjacent to Memorial Fieldhouse and contains state-of-the-art aquatics facilities and a 2-level fitness center complete with a climbing wall, juice bar, and cafe. For our 23 NCAA Division III athletic teams, there are team meeting rooms, locker rooms, rowing ergs, and a sports medicine facility. Elsewhere in our athletics complex, we have basketball and volleyball courts, turf and grass fields, including Baker Stadium, hitting facilities and competition spaces for our baseball and softball teams, 6 indoor tennis courts, and lots more. Whether playing a varsity sport, joining an intramural team, or hitting the Cascade Mountains, Puget Sound students have lots of opportunities for activity and adventure. Log her up.